Assigning physical materials to your elements is a core step in adding intelligence to your BIM model. The BIM compositions are available in the BIM library. The panel shows the composition categories in the project and library database. To open the Compositions editor, double-click on any composition. To create a new composition, click the New Composition icon. Change the element type using the drop-down list and enter a name. To add a physical material, click the Add Ply icon and select a material. You can change the order of the plies by dragging the numbers. To modify the thickness of the ply, click the Thickness field and type in a value. The new composition is ready to be used in your BIM model. You can now drag and drop the composition onto an element. When prompted, select a reference face to attach the composition.